Graph stores. Graph stores are storing nodes which can typically have some properties, and these nodes are connected through relationships. Now, these models with nodes and relationships can grow to be very complex, as in the case of, for example, social networks, product configurations, and similar. So the systems that store graph information are optimized for running various queries over such graph models. Some of the systems would introduce their own special query languages. Some of the others will modify SQL for reasoning over graphs. Some of them use some of the semantic technologies like RDFs and Sparkle, which is the query language for RDFs. Here are some of the common systems in this space. This space is very attractive, and we see that almost every day there is a new system in this space. In industry, we still don't see that many applications of these systems, but they are really excellent technical choice when the data is a graph, particularly when we are dealing with complex graphs. Typical use cases of graph stores are dealing with highly interconnected data. For example, working with social graphs, working with party relationships in an enterprise. For example, master data management for customers, suppliers, distributors, manufacturers would be a very good example. Location-based services are another example of use of the graph database. And one of the most frequent applications in e-commerce is dealing with purchasing analytics and particularly creating recommendations. One of the easiest recommendations algorithms would look into social graphs. For example, you could look into who are my friends, what are they buying, and then recommend such products to me. And such applications and recommendations algorithms can be very nicely implemented using graph stores. Now, in applications, we often see that graph stores are commonly combined with other systems. So you may have another database that is storing bulk of the data, and the graph database is just handling the relationships. But we also see the emergence of some hybrid models where you have nodes that behave like documents, and such databases provide hybrid access to document and graph functionality. If you don't have a hybrid database, then the graph database can focus on relationships, and you can have another database that will store the data.